With the ever-growing complexity of global supply chains, innovative solutions are essential. You need a reliable partner on the road to success. At Wabash, we're changing how the world reaches you. Our Trailers as a Service approach goes beyond transportation to tailor directly to your business, adapting to your needs and meeting you where you are. Discover the advantages of trailer solutions with Wabash's TaaS. Your subscription provides flexibility, allowing you to meet the constantly changing needs of your business. TaaS delivers up-to-the-minute fleet data for efficient, proactive oversight. With Wabash TaaS, you're able to streamline your operations across the country with trailer subscriptions that include insurance, service, loaners, and 24/7 support. And asset and service management using real-time telematics to monitor trailer health, capacity, usage, and location, creating a targeted solution to boost uptime, reduce CapEx, and increase market share. Subscribe today for a journey that drives your business forward. Wabash, where capacity meets innovation.